What if your everyday items could be smarter? Today we discovered 10 DIY hacks with a heavy tongue to transform the usual object into smart tools. From intelligent lighting to DIY security cameras, these ideas are easy, which can be acceptable and interesting. Ready, we dive. Lighting can completely change the space. Intelligent lighting makes it better. Use smart plugins to control all voice or smartphone applications. Do you want more automation? Attach a motion sensor to the door to turn on the lights when you enter or leave the room. Pair it with colorful LED bulbs for mood lighting that you can customize for movie nights, parties, or relaxing. Have an old smartphone lying around? Turn it into a DIY security camera using a free app like Alfred Camera. Simply download the app, mount your phone in a strategic location, such as near your front door or window, and you have a fully functional security system. Monitor your home instantly, receive motion detection alerts, and record footage, all without the high cost of traditional systems. No fancy doorbell? No problem. Attach a wireless doorbell button and pair it with your phone or smart speaker to receive alerts when someone's at the door. For added functionality, you can pair it with a DIY security camera setup to view and communicate with visitors remotely. This affordable solution is perfect for renters or anyone who doesn't want to invest in a full smart doorbell. Want richer sound without buying expensive equipment? Place an inexpensive Bluetooth speaker in a jar or bowl to naturally amplify the sound. The curvature of the bowl enhances sound for better acoustics. For added convenience, connect the speaker to a virtual assistant like Alexa or Google Home for hands-free control of music or podcasts. Enhance your morning routine with a DIY smart mirror. Attach the LED light strip to the mirror frame and connect it to a smart plug or dimmer. Control the brightness and color temperature using your voice or smartphone app. Whether you're applying makeup, shaving, or setting the mood, this setup is both practical and stylish. Keep your plants happy with the humidity sensor. These small, affordable devices can be placed in the ground to measure water levels. Connect the sensor to the companion app to receive reminders when your plants need to be watered. Some advanced models even track sunlight and temperature, making it easier than ever to keep a healthy greenery in your home. Simply plug a regular fan into a smart outlet to turn it into a smart fan. Use your phone or voice assistant to schedule it to turn on and off automatically based on temperature settings or your daily routine. For extra control, pair it with a smart thermostat to create a truly connected cooling system. Say goodbye to messy cables with a hidden charging station. Take an old shoebox and cut holes for the cables. Insert a USB socket inside to charge multiple devices at once. Decorate the outside of the box to match your decor, and you have a neat and tidy charging hub that keeps your devices out of sight. Start your morning right with your smart coffee maker. Plug your regular coffee maker into a smart plug and set a schedule to start brewing at the same time every day. Wake up to the smell of freshly brewed coffee without lifting a finger. Bonus tip: pair it with your smart assistant so you can control it with your voice. Upgrade window procedures with motorized curtain bars. They can be paired with a smart hub or app to open and close the blinds with just a touch or voice command. Whether you're automating your morning routine or enhancing your home theater setup, this tip can add convenience and luxury to any space. So there you have it, 10 easy DIY ideas to make your home smarter without breaking the bank. From lighting and security to everyday conveniences, these tips prove that you don't have to spend a fortune to improve a space. Try them out and let us know which ones you like best. Follow us for more DIY and smart home tips.